Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'll be showing you how to find the post ID of your Instagram post. There are two methods. First I'll start with the easiest one for those without access to a Meta Business Suite account. So let's dive in. If you have the Instagram post URL, perhaps you're collaborating with a content partner and need to add this Instagram post to a Facebook ad campaign, finding the post ID for Instagram is easy. Simply take a look at the URL of the Instagram post that you're wanting to use. The post ID for Instagram post is a string of characters directly following the /p portion of the URL. So for the post above, the Instagram post ID would be this. And that's all you would need to copy that over and add it to your Facebook ad campaign. Now, let's explore how to find your Instagram post ID using the Meta Business Suite account, previously known as Facebook Business Manager. Open up your Meta Business Suite account. You can access this by going to the URL business.facebook.com. Then make sure your Instagram account is first added to the Meta Business Suite account. To find the post ID, head over to the Content tab on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see here all the Instagram posts you've shared on your Facebook and Instagram accounts, as well as Facebook groups. Let's say you want to find the Instagram post ID of this Instagram post here. All you have to do is click on the three dots on the right-hand side, and then select Copy Post ID, and your Instagram post is now copied. If you want to not just copy but check the post ID, you can click on the Instagram post itself, and you can see here the Instagram post ID that you can use to add this to a Facebook ad campaign that you're running. And that's how you find the Instagram post ID in Meta Business Suite. I hope you found this Instagram post ID tutorial helpful, and if you would like to see more useful videos like this, don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, share with your team or anyone who could use this info, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a bunch everyone, and I hope you have the most beautiful day.